Hello, guys. So, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be diving into an exciting topic: how to start and grow your businesses with minimal investments, all the while incorporating sacred Bible passages and verses to guide us along the way. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Do you ever feel like you need a hefty sum of money to start a business? Well, I'm here to tell you that that's not always the case, especially for us Christians. With little faith and creativity, we can turn small investments into big returns, all while staying true to our Bible principles. First off, let us start with freelancing services. Are you skilled at writing, graphic design, or programming? Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr offer endless opportunities to showcase your talents and land high-paying clients. Remember Proverbs 18, verse 16. A gift opens the way and ushers the giver into the presence of the great. This basically means that what you can do, can write, program, graphic design, all these are gifts from God, and they're gifts that are given to you to open the way into the presence of greatness. Alright? Now, let's take a deep dive. Let's take a detour. Let's take a detour and go into online retail. You'll be amazed what you can sell with platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. I'm giving you businesses that you can start with less than $100. For unused items in your home to handmade crafts, the possibilities are endless. We're talking about showcasing your creativity with handmade crafts. Proverbs 31 verse 28. Proverbs 31 verse 24 reminds us she makes linen garments and sells them, and supplies the merchants with sashes. So you can see that with the virtuous woman that we just talked about, making a little business for herself. So even the Bible encourages business. So if you're very creative, take a look at eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. But wait, there's more. Have you heard of drop shipping? With minimal investments, basically your investment goes into marketing. You can start selling products to customers without holding any inventory yourself. So that takes away the expenses of keeping your inventory and holding it yourself. You can just design and put it out to stores like online stores like Shopify, and once an order is made, the drop shipper fulfills the order for you and you get a cut of it. So your investment goes into marketing of your online store at Shopify. Look at Proverbs 31 verse 18. She sees that her trading is profitable and her lamp does not go out at night, which means you need to be diligent in this work. You need to put in the hours, but you do not need a lot of money to start up with. Now let us dive into the world of blogging and vlogging. If you're passionate about a particular niche, it could be home decor, it could be carpentry, it could be whatever your passionate about. Share your expertise with the world. With a small investment in a domain name and hosting, you can create valuable content that attracts an audience. Proverbs 15 verse 23 tells us, a person finds joy in giving an apt reply, and how good is a timely word. So what you know how to do and what you're passionate about, it's always good to share it with the world, because you do not know how many people are searching for such knowledge, and you have it all to yourself. Start a blog, start a YouTube channel, and see God do something wonderful in your life. Last but not least, consider offering tutoring or coaching services, whether it's academic subjects, music lessons, fitness training. There's always a demand for personalized instruction. Proverbs 27 verse 17 says, as iron sharpeneth iron, so one person sharpens another. There we have it. Straight to the point. 5 great business ideas that you can start with less than $100 as a Christian entrepreneur. Remember Proverbs 16 verse 3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. Trust in God's guidance, work diligently, and watch as He blesses your efforts and leads you to success. These are I'm just skimming through them. In the next video, we'll go more in depth into freelancing. I don't want to make my videos long, so we'll go more depth into maybe freelancing, and then we'll take online retail and drop shipping at the same time. We'll dive into the world of forex trading, foreign exchange trading, and crypto trading, but all those will be in separate videos. For now, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found this video to push you to take the next step. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on faith-based entrepreneurship. Until next time, take care and God bless you.